What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to deploy this project in Streamlit. Okay, so the deployment is like so. As you know, we can know coding. We can easily access, or you can easily access our Python file, and we can run. So how to use this? How to use this particular code, particular this project, which those who have no idea about coding, so how they do use it. So for this we have to deploy this project and make this project user friendly. So here I am using streamlit for deployment. uh, if anybody here is new to streamlit, I have a playlist on how to set up the streamlit and basic videos, that basic widgets that are really used in streamlit. I have done a playlist for it. Go check and watch that playlist before proceeding to this video. Okay, so first let's import streamlit. For this, just type import streamlit as st. After importing the streamlit, firstly what I have to do is we have to set a file uploader. So we have to select a file, right? Firstly, so for this I am declaring a variable called uploader is equals st dot file underscore uploader. So this will be used as to select the file from our local storage. Okay. Now I have to define a label for this. So label is like anything like select the image, select the image. That's it. And we have to specify the types of image formats. In my case, those are JPG and JPEG and also PNG. So that's it, guys. So these are my formats. So let's remove the dots actually. Hmm. Oh fuck. Okay, guys. So now we have to access this code only if there is any uploader present in it. Okay. So for this, if uploader is not none, so then just add in this thing. I need not to show these things anymore. Now just take these tabs and paste it outside this loop. Why? Because we have to select from these values also. Okay, so in my display, so what I'm doing here is in my display we have an uploader tab, and we have a selection tab which is to select which color you want to detect. So these are two separate things. So I got separated this color tab separately and this image selection part separately. Okay, so all right, now um, we are selecting the image. The image name is this thing. So actually we are reading image from that thing. Okay, so here I have to pass uploader dot name. So this will actually give the name of that file which we selected in this thing. Okay, so this will select the name and it will convert it to HSV and it will mask the image and it will give us the final image. So I have to create an array. So original image is equals st dot image. So this is the empty image array. So this empty image array will be used to embed that image, embedded that uploaded image in our uh, streamlit output. Okay, so this is for the original image, and final image st dot image. So why I am creating is after user selected any image, we have to display that image. For this array will be used, and to display the output, this array will be used. Okay, so in this array what you have to store is this original image, right? So this array image to array converted values will be stored in this thing. So for this like original array dot not original image dot image, and we have to pass here our image. Okay, so this will be accessed from this. So this converted image is stored in this original image. Okay, so now the final image is stored in final underscore img dot image, and we have to pass final underscore image. So this will be used to store this thing. This will be so like that. Okay, so we have done done the image section part. Now coming to this section, um, coming to this section coming to this section we have to create an selection tab. For this I used st dot multi select. Multi select attribute will be used to select multiple values, which you use to select a value from a multiple values. Okay, for this we have to say, firstly we have to give in the question, select the color, sorry, select the color, and we have to pass an list of colors in it. In my case these are red, blue, green, and another color yellow. So these are the list of colors I am passing here. So you can pass any color you want. Okay, and I am storing it in a value called option. So when we select any color, the color will be stored in that option value. Okay, when a color is selected, the color is stored in that option. So how to access that color which is stored in that option? So here um, these are accessed in a dictionary format. Okay, like key value is 0, and if you select yellow color, and yellow is assigned to 0, something like that. Okay, so to access that thing we have to say opt of 0, and this will give the first color which we want, which we selected. Okay, if you select multiple colors, then it will only show the first color. If this color is equals blue, if the selected color is blue, then we have to define the array values, bezier values of this blue color. Okay, and elif opt 0 red color, then we have to define color is equals np dot uint 8 and a three-dimensional array, so bezier. Okay, so we we have to arrange these values in the bezier format. So here this is the red color array, so I have to change this to like this, 255. Okay, so now it's time for the bgr, which will access the red color and it is stored in the color. So let me change this thing also inside the color. So let me just copy this and paste this for the green, sorry, for the green. Let's store the array values of the green and the yellow also. For yellow, the array values we have to, the array values of bgr is 0 comma 255 comma 255, and this will be the bgr values of yellow. Okay, so that's it. So we have defined our colors. Now we have to rename all these variables because we are making here our code more concise. So we have to convert the color value, not the blue color value. So and this can be like HSV color. So let me just change this thing also, HSV color, and HC hue color. That's it, and we have to pass here C and HC. So we have grabbed the lower blue, but here we are using for all the colors, so we have to pass like lower color and upper color. So here we have to pass those values which are lower color and the upper color. Okay, now let's run this code. Here if you not select any option, it is showing me list index out of range. This is because here it is, the error is also showing. So the error is showing here. Oh, what happened? Okay, the error is showing here. Property of 0 is equals blue. So why this error is showing means, if you are not select any color, then the OPT is empty, right? So there is no 0th index value. So to minimize this error or to remove this error, just type if OPT. That means if a user select a color, then only this thing will work. This all will be work. Okay, so that's the simple logic I am using here. If you reload this page, name color is not defined. Okay, we got a new error. So this is in cv2.cvt color. The spelling is same. If opt, let's try to this thing. Okay, now let's save this thing. Fine. Here I added these lines also, these 4 lines also. Okay, because if you select any color, then if it is like this, then it is completely out of this loop. Okay, so here we have to stay in this loop. Okay, so we are adding this stuff also. So now here if you select any value, then this will be our 0th index, and if you select any another value, then this will be our 1th index. So that's why I'm using OPT of 0. So how many colors we select, then it does not mean to this line, so it will only take the first value, which means the red, the 0th index. Okay, so this is working fine. Now let's see how browse files will work. So this is also opening perfectly, and if you select any image, so I am selecting this red color smoke image, and if you click on open, then a weird thing is happening here. So it is actually the red color. Okay, it is actually red color, but it is showing the blue color here. So why? Because if you go to here, so here I am directly showing the original image without converting this image, this BGR image into the RGB image. Okay, so that's why it is showing me like that. So we have to convert that image, which is CV underscore image CV2 dot. Let me copy this. So CVT color on my image, and we have to convert our BGR image to RGB. Okay, so and here we have to pass this CV image here. So after it got converted, we have to apply the mask on our converted image, which is RGB image. Okay, so that's it. So let me reload this page and quickly select the same color, and lower color is not defined. Okay, let me just define a color which is red, and there you go. So here we are getting another error. To minimize this error, and we have to ident this thing also. We have to ident this thing also under this OPT. The idea behind this is, if you select the color only, then it will have to show me the original image and the color detected image. Okay, so let's run this. So let's select a file, and if you select the red color, then this is our original image and this is our color detected image. Okay, the key point to notice here is the selected image has to be same folder where our Python file is. Okay, so here we have another thing, like if you select any image, then only it will show the original image. So how to do this thing is just very simple. Just drag where our original image is. So this is the original image. So if uh, uploader select a image, then it has to do this stuff. We have to grab the original image array, done, and we have to select these three lines, and we have to paste it here. So here is what I am doing is, if uploader selects any image, here we are creating an empty image array, and we are reading this image, and we are converting this image to BZ to RGB format, and we are showing this image. So there is no need to show our image here. So we have to read that image because we have to apply mask, and we have to done the bitwise and operators on that original image. So there is image, and we have to convert these CV image values to our original image. So that's it. I think we are done. Let's reload the page, and if you select any image, and it is showing me the image, original image. This is the original image. That's it for today's video. So see you guys in our next video. Peace out.